how excited are you about the new office? Okay, most importantly, I'm the one who is the most excited. Super arga brother, this is our Austin team, check it out. Okay, let's go. This is my amazing team. This is David, Sachin, Adrian, the amazing Adrian, Victoria, that's Monse, Mr. Rowe, and Lean. And that's me. Actually, we just started our Austin office. The super on a team, very young, energetic team who really made it happen.
We are on the second floor of this beautiful building.
Yes!
You have to see the
The
vault.
vault. There's a bank.
Come downstairs with us.
Are you serious? There's a vault out there? What vault is that?
You can follow us. We'll take it.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, ciao, ciao.
This is a wine vault?
Yeah.
Are you serious? This looks like a movie where they have the heists. So, is it okay? We can try this? It doesn't open?
No.
Is this for real?
Yes.
It's for
It's
real.
an actual vault.
From the bank that was here many years ago.
Wow. That is our Austin team. Way to go.
இந்த நாள் வரை வண்டியை விடவில்லை.
Hey folks, I'm here with Adrian, and what we are doing is Adrian is giving me a tour of our new Austin facility.
Yes.
And Adrian has been instrumental in establishing this office. He's the man.
Yes. This cornered building
Yeah.
next to the bank is an Accenture office.
Oh, there's an Accenture. Where did you say the Google and Indeed offices are?
They're back this way.
Okay.
They're some of the tallest buildings. Google has 3 buildings downtown. Facebook has 2. And Indeed just opened up a new corporate headquarters in like 70,000 square feet or something
Oh, wow.
like that. Yeah.
Hopefully we'll have a much larger office very soon, I guess.